Good evening, pumpkin friends. It's about 9 p.m. It's Chad from Colorado Giants. Today is Tuesday, August the 6th. It is time for your weekly update of what we have going on in this here greenhouse, so stay tuned. Thanks for suffering through that intro. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down here. And the little bell so you get a notification when we have a new video come out. As per the normal these days, it's going to be a quick one. We've got the baby inside and mom, and just I need to get in there. We had Spencer. Spencer new has arrived, and judging by the name, we don't have a girl Spencer. We have a boy Spencer. Boy Spencer was born on the 27th of July 27th. He was 6 pounds and 6 ounces. So I'll go through the comments a couple of videos ago and I'll find the winner to the seed for the 1783, guaranteed almost to grow you a big orange pumpkin. I checked on those. Fun fact, I only have like 16 of those seeds left. I gave tons away. If you follow the channel, you know that I have no problem giving seeds out. So I sent a bunch out. I gave a bunch to my club, and I only have a few left. So if you want some, hit me up. I only gonna have a couple, and I'm gonna save some for myself too. So maybe 10. There might be only 10 of these seeds available, or so. It's starting to lightning. So weather, it's been hot. It has been sunny, which is good. And really, I'm not doing anything other than I am fertilizing. I'm staying on top of my fungicides, my pesticides, and my miticides. I have not been on top of weeding. I'm not sure if you can see. There is a sea of weeds in Appleberry over there and a miniature sea of weeds in Cowboy. It's supposed to cool off later this week, so I'm going to dive into the middle of my plants and take care of that weed situation. But all in all, everything's looking good. I just measured for the first time since last week, and honestly, I was really surprised. I'm continuing my Brad Bledsoe sandbag method. I'm looking at my numbers right here off screen. They did go down. I can tell you that Cowboy last week, or this week, or however you want to look at it, was in the high 30s, and Appleberry was in the mid 30s. Both of them still above state record pace. And I have 57 days left. Yeah, well, 50 or 57. 50 till the first way off, 57 till the first way off I typically go to. So I am, the end is on the horizon. And yeah, ooh, lightning. So here is Appleberry 1931 Turner crossed with the 2005 Wolf. Speaking of the Wolf plant, these, see, you can see the weeds. Look at all those things. Oh, that's where the weed fabric would have come in handy. There's a really big one there and a bigger one back there. Probably, I'm going to say 300-ish pounds. That one's probably 300-ish pounds. There's one over there that's 100 and something-ish pounds. And I think the one right next to that one is rotting. So, yeah, I'll have to deal with that. Unfortunately, that stinky situation. But let me give you a closer look at Appleberry. Looking really cool. Low, sleek, lined. It's kind of developing these ribs. I'm trying to do this in one take. I don't know. I still think this one is gonna go light, if I'm being honest. Oh God, falling over, jeez. And Cowboy is doing pretty good. Jason is organizing a couple of interviews, like mid to late season interviews for a couple of real cool growers, so stay tuned for information on that. A couple of live interviews will be awesome. It'll be fun to do some of those. My peppers and tomatoes are going nuts, which is awesome. Cowboy, super cool, great shape. It's that giant apple kind of shaped. I wouldn't call it a wheel. It's starting to get some ribs. I had to tape the tape measure. There we go. I taped the tape measure on there because I was getting different numbers every time because it's big enough now where I had to do the 2 tape measures taped together, and it's just got to be kind of close. Cowboy, on the other hand, as I lean on it, I don't know, fingers crossed that Cowboy is a heavy boy. So that's all I got for you. Thanks for all the warm wishes with Spencer, or for our baby that we now know as Spencer. That was really awesome to have all the positive comments. I appreciate it. Greenhouse is doing good. Everything, knock on wood, is looking good. Or the fan falling down and hitting my pumpkin. It's okay. The weeds we got to deal with. Oh, one thing. A couple of people have commented, do I cover my pumpkins? I don't cover my pumpkins. The last few pumpkins that I haven't covered all went heavy, so I was just trying to test out a theory. You know, do you have to cover the pumpkins? Cowboy is 57 days old. No, it's not 57 days old. I don't know how Cowboy is. Probably 60-ish days old. And it's still got that soft, supple skin. So, but I am in a greenhouse, so that might have something to do with it. But you don't have to cover your pumpkins, though it is recommended. Do as I say, not as I do. More lighting in the background. I got to get out of here. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next week. Get out there, grow yourself one giant pumpkin, and have a good week. See ya.